Okay, so let's go on to 6. So we're going to have our chain 2, which does count as a double crochet. And then since our post, you can tell our post is up here, and then where we did just the double crochet, it's back here. So what we do is we alternate. So now, because we had the front post double crochet below, we're going to just do a double crochet. And remember, this first stitch is the chain 2. So we're going to work into this stitch right here, okay? And we're going to do a double crochet. And then, now it's easy to find your other stitches that you got to work in, because these are the ones that are in front. So what we're going to do is our Alpine, or I should say our front post double crochet into this double crochet that's like a little bit behind the other. It doesn't stick up like the other ones do. So we're going to do our front post double crochet here. And then we do a double crochet into the next single crochet. And so then we're off to the races.